guys, how you doing, and ladies? Right, you know I'm liking this hairstyle, don't you? And the system's looking fab, I think. Growing into it, it's getting so much easier to style. Right, I'm going to talk about regrooms or refusions, or haircuts after a few weeks where the hair system's taken off. Right, I'll explain it. Regrooms, when you come for a regroom, you come in. I'm going to tell you actually what you do at Hair for All. Here we go. I'm going to read it out to you. I've got one on the wall. No, I haven't. Yes, I have. This could go disastrously wrong. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Right, regrooms. At Hair for All, the hair system is removed and cleaned. The scalp is cleaned and exfoliated, which means that we get rid of all the oils. Mud pack is applied to the scalp to clear any oils. This dramatically increases. Do you know what, guys? I don't know what I'm trying to do here. I can't even read. Where's the glasses? Where's my Poundlands? Can't all have gone. This is annoying. I'm going to carry on. Regroom. I don't even need this anyway. Right, regrooms. Right, when you come in and have a regroom, the hair system's removed, and then that's cleaned. I've done some vlogs where it shows you cleaning. Obviously, we've got professional stylists here, which do it all day. Cleaning the scalp is essential. Getting rid of all the oils, exfoliating the scalp. We do that, and generally check the system as well, and then tape up or use adhesive, mark up correctly, and apply it. If it's done correctly, then it looks absolutely fantastic, which we strive to do. It's like I said to people many times, regrooms are really important in the process of going ahead. This is, $550 for a system, or just under, or just over. This one, as I've told you, is probably about $645 because of all the colours. It's an expensive error to give it a go, on your own. So people come back for the regrooms, refusions, every 3 to 4 weeks. People that can't make it that long, then we teach them rapidly to be able to do it every 2 weeks. So the cost is kept down when they come and see us. I haven't said hello to the Beast. You right, the Beast? So regrooming, male grooming is all becoming really fashionable, which is fantastic. And long may it continue. Okay, so I'll leave it there. A bit of a stumbling vlog, but I quite enjoyed looking a fool. Right, I'll leave it there. Anyway, see you guys next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.